क्या है इनका नाम, कहाँ गए, जुबीन। जुबीन का सिलेक्शन हुआ है, आसाम से है जुबीन। इनका सिलेक्शन हुआ है इंडियन बैंक में एज अ क्लर्क, तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन।
Hi guys, welcome to this new channel. So I am glad to inform you all that this year I have cleared IBPS clerk exam and provisionally allotted in Indian Bank as clerk. So I am here to share my strategy. How did I prepare? If you do hard work and just believe in yourself, definitely you can go through any exam like SBI PO, SBI clerk, IBPS PO, IBPS clerk exam. I started my preparation from the month of July 2018. At the beginning, honestly, I didn't even clear a single pre-exam. Even I thought that this is not my cup of tea, I should leave this track. Then I thought I already gave much time on it, so this is the only way for me. And in 2019 I cleared FCA pre, and then later on I cleared SBI clerk pre, and then RRB PO pre, IBPS PO pre, LIC ATO pre, and IBPS clerk pre. And except IBPS clerk, in other exams I just got disqualified, and finally fortunately I cleared IBPS clerk mains exam. Okay, directly coming to the main point. Generally many of you guys are scared of English, right? So if you really want to strong your base in English, you need to read editorial on regular basis, and also you can watch TV series. I used to watch Flash, Supergirl with subtitle. Then it will help you in develop your English. And in English for error detection, if you search in YouTube for 500 error detection by Vishal sir, you will get it. If you watch all those videos of 500 series of error detection by Vishal sir and 120 rules by Nemisha Bansalman, and if you practice from the mock paper, then definitely you will get good score in English. You can check it by giving mock test. Next, coming to quants, I am also not good in quants, so at the beginning I followed Sumit sir and Arun sir. They are too good, and later on I started to follow Yes sir. And even after watching video, if you really want to strong your base in quants, you need to practice a lot. You can even do it from mock tests, or you can purchase any book, or you will get some ebook online. For reasoning, all I can say is, if you need a good score, you need to be good at puzzle and sitting arrangement. In pre, puzzle and sitting arrangement related questions are not much difficult, so if you practice well, you can solve it within 2 or 3 minutes. But in mains it is a little bit difficult, but yeah, if you can prepare well, you will even complete it within 5 to 10 minutes. And for GK section, I followed Study IQ base 200 MCQ, and then I followed GK today, and also I followed Kush Pandey sir. And also for banking awareness or related to banking, if you really want to know details, you can please follow Abhijit sir. He is too good in explaining the banking terms. I really like his classes, and that's all for today. So guys, if you have any doubt, please ask me in comment box, and later on I will upload some videos related to document verification and training, so that you guys can get motivated. So that's all for today. Bye guys, have a good day.